The transportation is very convenient. It is a 10-minute drive to Hangzhou West Ring Expressway, a 30-minute drive to Hangzhou West Lake, and a 50-minute drive to Qingshan International Airport. Founded in March 2005, the company's plant covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters, of which over 15,000 square meters is the production plant, and its annual production capacity is more than 10,000 units. It also cooperates with the Zhejiang Institute of Communications to establish the Hangzhou Haosheng Electric Logistics Equipment R&D Center. The center has 18 members with 13 more doctors and masters and 5 more engineers. The center has formed a virtuous cycle of enterprise, academics, research, marketing, through independent research and development in the industry's innovative technology, and has achieved dozens of national patents, 4 inventions, and new utility patents. The new energy plus intelligence embodies the vision, mission, and innovation of Haosheng people. This has created a leading brand of China's smart environmental protection logistics equipment, which is worthy of every customer's trust.